Want to discover the best deals and clearance finds at Walmart before you even step in the store? The Walmart app makes it easy to compare prices, scan shelf tags, and uncover hidden markdowns. The first thing you want to do is open your Walmart app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on this store drop down. Here you want to select your store. First you want to select your local store from here, then tap on the save option. Now, next thing you want to do is use the search bar to look up any items. Now you want to compare the prices. Now, on the product page, you will see both the online price and in-store price. This helps you decide whether to buy in-store or order for delivery. You also want to scan barcodes and shelf tags. When you are in Walmart aisle, tap the scan icon and scan the barcode on the product or shelf tag. The app instantly shows you current price, any clearance markdown, and how many units are left at the store. You can also use the filter feature to find the hidden clearance. For that, tap on the filters option. Now navigate to departments. Here, if you find the clearance and rollbacks option, tap on that. Now from here you can uncover deals that aren't prominently advertised in store. And that's it. You can now shop smarter, spot hidden markdowns, and always know you're getting the best Walmart price. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.